Good morning. Welcome to MBA Option Trader. This is Shiva. Day 19 of 2.5 lakhs to 6 lakhs channel. Let me do some pre-analysis. You can see previous last 2 days market settled and created support. Then it tried consolidation and volatility market. You can see market opening slight gap up, but I'm not still expect it going to be bullish because you can see the previous it created range and it break the upside, but there's no strength to hold the trend. You can see Nifty also falling by the 3 indexes. It created again one more zone. I'm expecting a bearish trade today and a volatility market, so I'm planning to do a scalp, not a particular scalp. I'm gonna exit if it's a loss, but if the profit, I'm gonna hold as much as possible. Okay, market get open. You can see. Let me enter first. I'll explain on. Okay, just go. Okay, you can see market fall. You can create a doji. Okay, entry have again create a doji. I'm expecting a small bullishness. You try to move up, then expecting a fall, so I'm creating a scalp trade. So let me open my SR. You can see it might be hit our SR. Let me exit on market. Reason try to fall because the early start it giving me profit. Right now I don't see there is a probability continue bullish. That's why I exited because I already planned for the bearish trend. I explained in pre-analysis. You can say these are the first trades and we booked the loss of 4,000 plus. Okay, let me plan for a bearish trade. Okay, just give me a second. Okay, you can see comparing 3 indexes, Bank Nifty more bearish compared to Nifty and Sensex. That's why I'm planning to enter on Bank Nifty. You can see the opening candle is a good red mother candle, so we're expecting a fall continue, and I'm planning for a small trade. I'm expecting target of 200 EMA. That's why I'm entering this particular trade. Let me give this 1 second. Enter. Just 1 second. Okay, you can see it's closing below. Enter. Okay, the above the candle I'm going to exit. This is very clear. The expected will continue fall. Let me update myself. More. Okay, updating my trailer, sir. Reason it might be take someone from the 200 mm. That's updated. Okay, you can see our SR got triggered. Just a second. I don't know why. Chalo, exit. Okay. After exiting 2 trades, I'm planning for a small bullish trend. Okay, let me confirm. Just wait for confirmation. Once it confirm, I'll see a chance for a small bullishness. That's the reason very clear. Taking support from the previous support and taking support from the 200 EMI, and the SL was too small. So let me take a small risk. I took for this trade as a scalp. So 1 second. Okay, you can see that SL is too high. Okay, just give me a second. Let for the confirmation. Okay, let me take half of the quantity. You know, when you are not confident about it, take your half of the quantity. So let me enter. Okay, I'm planning to just calculate as I enter. You can see it's already called the hammer. Hammer and support is always a best trade. You can see that it gets started. Okay, let me update my trial, sir. Sorry, yes, sir. Reason it highly confirmed it's going to bullish and expecting a target of the day opening. Okay, you can see the spots are bullish, but the option chart is not bullish. It might be falling. Shall I exit on market? Okay, shall I updated my SR? Shall I had my exit market? Okay, after exiting, I am expecting a bearish. There you can see Bank Nifty RL broke the 200 EMA and consolidate between 400 and 200. So I highly confirm it's going to break the downside of the 400 EMA. It's going to be bearish. I'm expecting a long trend. That's why I'm entering this particular trade. I'm starting out the market and tell you I'm expecting a bearish trend from today. I know volatile market also. That's why exiting quickly. But if I feel it's going to be a long trade, I'll gonna hold. Okay, I can feel it's going to be highly confirmed. It's going to be trend, right? You can see the dojing above the RG. I'm going to exit. It's because it took the resistance from the 200 EMA and it's going to break the 400 EMA. Once it closes below the candle, is highly confirmed it's going to be bearish trade and we can expect a good target. And let me bet my SL. You can see trade got started, but again it trying to take some support. That's why I'm updating my trial SL. Exited. Okay, you can see it might be a support again. I'm expecting a small trade. Let me enter. Shalom, you can see. Let's enter. Okay. You can say I exited. Reason is not exiting from the option shot. That's why exit from here. Exited. Okay. After exiting, I can see there is still bearishness pending. So the candle was not closing, but I'm expecting it's going to be fall. So high chance is going to be fall. Sell entry. Okay. Just a second. Entry. Okay, it might be bullish. That's why I'm exiting market. Exited. Okay, so after exiting trade, in a 1 minute time frame, creating a trend lag, it might be break the downside. That's why I'm planning to enter on P set. Okay, so let's go entry. The below can be our resistor. I'm not sure about the tape, but the one candidate was be highly confirmed. So that's why I'm facing a tight SR. So okay, you can see I updated my trial SR. Hi. Chalo, trial SR hit. Okay, it not what happened 0 down. Just give me a second. This is the third rate. It's not executing by my trial SR. Okay, why? I think it executed and just give me a second. Okay, it got executed. These are the okay. Let me enter. Chalo. Okay, you can see the trade got started. That's why I'm updating my exceeded. Okay, you can see the highly confident it's going to be bearish. That's why I entered. Reason is very clear. In multiple resistance and taking support from the previously again it create a weak high chance going to break the downside. That's why entering. Okay, you can see the trade got started. So that's why updating my style. So reason is very clear. You have to fall from here only. It might be take consolidation. That's why updating. Okay, you can see the trade got started. I know it highly confirm it's going to break in this zone. You can see it going to break the green candle. If it not, highly confirm it's going to upside. That's why I'm betting my trial sir. Once the break and close the below the green candle, it's going to be a huge trade for us, and we can expect a long trade and good target. Okay, let me update my trial sir once again. Chalo, wait for the candle close. Okay, you can see the trade got we are achieved our target. So that's why I'm updating myself. Might be take suggestion from the black zone. That's why I'm updating trial sir. I don't want to take much risk. That's why I better. Okay, the still got triggered again. Zero. Why? It's really most of it. I don't know why this is the fourth is continuous. Not you know whenever placing my SLR is not hitting. I don't know what happened to zero today. Okay, we back to our neutral. Okay, we can see again we're in profit near to breaking it. So that's why I'm planning for a new trade. You can see from the starting of the market, I'm expecting bearish. That's why I enter. You can see as I said as the previous trade, it might be take a resistance. You can see it create a wick. That's why I entered. About the candle, I'm gonna exit. That's why I'm reading my SL. Just wait for the candle close. Okay, again updating my trial sir. Reason you have to go, fall from here unless that is updating my trial sir. Chalo. Okay, as we expect, try to fall. So that's why I'm updating my trial like I'm reason very clear. It might be take some consolation because it's a volatile day. That's why I'm updating my trial sell. I'm holding my targets. You can see we are profitable. Okay, I can see it creating a green candle. Might be take some consolation. That's why I'm planning to upgrade again my trial sell. Try to trial your SL when you're profitable. Don't lose your profit on market. That's a very simple thing you can do in your hand. Chalo, trade got executed, and these are the other moves. So final PNL. Right now we are in break even, so that's why I'm taking a trade once again. One more trade. Okay, you can see it's highly confirmed it's going to be is because it broke the 4 and AMA creating a red candle. So it highly confirmed below above the candle I'm going to exit and what is the last trade. Okay, you can see as big it's falling, so that's why I'm updating my SL in case it get reverse up. That's why I'm updating. Okay, you can see it taking resistance. Okay, our trail guys are going to be here. Just wait for the confirmation once it hit. Okay, it's too close to hit our SL. Chalo. Again, okay, I get it. Okay, these are the orders. And we're back to us. Okay, let me enter the final trade. Chalo, entering reason very clearly, take a decision from the 4 and AMI and to get retracement. You're highly confirm it's going to hit our target in this particular. That's why entry. Chalo, entry. Again, you can see as we planned, it's trying to fall. So let me update my result. Very clear. Highly ambit is going to be bearish. I am expecting just one more red candle. Once the candle broke the and break the green hammer and below, it highly confirm it's going to be bearish. Okay, you can see as we expected falling. So let me update my trial as well. Chalo. Below this green candle, reason is with the bullish engulfing. So the sign of the bullish hammer bullishness. That's why I'm betting. Okay, you can see the trade got started. Let me update once again about trial as well. Very simple. As I said, how much possible just trial your research because you have to take profit from the market. Okay, yeah, shall not this get hit. You can see these are the books. Shall I get back to break even? So let me find if I find a good trade, then I'll enter until I don't want to trade for the day. Okay, this is the last trade. You can see in after it taking a inside candle pattern, so it might be give our targets. So let me take a last trade for the day. Okay, so let me confirm it. You can see it broke the previous candle long, so it's showing the bearishness. So entry happened. You can see these are the order books. Reason is very clear. You can see from the starting of the day, I took a multiple and as the previous I explained this is going to be our volatility. That's why I'm going to exit in case we on loss. But is the profit I'm going to hold. You can see we are made it two profitables. In two profit we'll cover the entire losses. So very clear. Whenever we're feeling loss, just exited. You can see there is a profit with the whole. That even did differently. The whole losing that they're gonna cut their profit deals. So my exit is done. So is I feel is not out of money. I already did multiple trade for the day. So I'm feeling worried. That's why it's done for this. See you on next video.